Hello everyone, Merry Christmas and welcome back to my channel. And if we see each other for the very first time, my name is Joanna Bojarska and this is the place where I share with you my beauty tips, advice in your professional and home skincare, as well as showing you my professional treatments. And in today's video I'm taking you on a very festive journey, a journey to the ultimate Christmas spa at home, which you can recreate yourself in the comfort of your own home. I have already created a blog post about this at-home ritual when I'm talking in depth about each step as well as presenting to you my favorite products. So if you are interested in diving into this very relaxing and pleasant subject, then please visit my beauty blog, and that you can find on my website www.joannabojarska.com. And you could ask me why I have chosen this topic when I could simply show you my next professional treatment and invite you to my beauty studio. And I most certainly invite you to visit Beauty by Joanna. But I also know that this whole pre-Christmas time and festive season can be a little bit overwhelming. All the shopping, cooking, closing projects at work can very easily take over, and we tend to remember about everyone else but ourselves. And during Christmas we end up being so tired that we can't truly enjoy it. So with this video I would like to encourage and inspire you to do something for yourself, and from the vast options I would like to present to you an example of the at-home spa. And certainly this kind of treatment is not reserved only for the Christmas season. You can treat yourself to it anytime you like, all year round. And as usual, just before I start, if you find this content interesting and helpful, please give it some thumbs up and consider subscribing so you can always be up to date with my new content. And as you can see, I'm already dressed in my dressing gown, so that means that we are just about to get very cozy. So now, without any further ado, let me show you my ultimate version of the Christmas spa at home. So I know spa reminds you of total relaxation, but I like to start mine with a little bit of fitness activity. And I'm not talking about full-on cardio or weights workout. I usually choose stretching or yoga class 20 up to 30 minutes long. After my muscles are oxygenated and stretched, I like to have a bath. Normally I choose a shower, but on occasions like this, a bath becomes a significant part of my spa routine. And what I like to use are, first of all, soaking salts, and here you can see a few examples of my favorite ones. And then I also like a scrub, body scrub, and I personally like the more nourishing scrubs with bigger scrubbing beads, and I like sugar and salt scrubs, but when making my own I like coffee scrub. Sometimes I also like to add a little bit of bath oil to the water. After a bath like this, my body doesn't really need an extra layer of the lotion or body butter, but if you prefer to use a body butter or body lotion after the bath or shower, these are some of my favorite products as they deliver proper hydration and regeneration to the skin. So while taking a bath, I also like to take extra care of my hair and scalp. So I would either do a hair oiling or scalp peeling combined with a deeply conditioning hair mask. And I also like to marinate my hair with a hair mask while I'm taking a bath, as the steam from the bath helps the mask sink deeper into my hair. Plus, it's also very convenient. Feeling alone, kinda misty. So after the bath and my little hair treatment, I am moving on to my favorite part, mini facial. And with today's at-home treatment, my goal is to refresh my skin, provide it with some much needed hydration and balance the sebum production. So I am starting with a double cleanse where I am using the Pro Collagen Balm to dissolve my makeup from LMS, and then I am following up with the DermaQuest C Infusion Cleanser. After that, I will be toning my skin, and for this I am using either Aveda Toning Mist or Collagen Toner from Norel Dr. Wilsh. After my skin is nicely cleansed and toned, I am using or moving on to the exfoliation. And here I will be using an enzyme peel from Norel Dr. Wilsh.
I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow.
And after about 10 minutes, I am removing my peel and moving on to the face massage combined with serum.
See you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow. A secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow.
During treatments like this, I also like to take care of my eyes, and here I will be using the Sun-Nev eye patches as my eye mask. Then I also like to add a face mask, and here I will be using the Deeply Hydrating Mask from Norel Dr. Wilsh.
How lucky can this soul heart be? And I fall into peace. And
After about 20 minutes, I will be moving to the skincare, and here I'm doing usual steps: toner, serum, and then eye cream, and then face cream. And if I'm doing my treatment during the day, I will be also using an SPF.
silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
I like to finish my treatment with a little bit of aromatherapy and breathing exercise, same as I am doing at my beauty studio. So in today's treatment, I will be using one of my chakra sprays. Additional things you can do here are food masks or food cream. I really like shawl masks or Norel Dr. Wilsh food cream with urea. I also really like to put a thick layer of a lip balm on my lips. And usually I massage in all the remaining skincare into my hands, but you can also use a separate hand cream, especially if your skin requires deep regeneration. I know it might sound like a lot, and certainly you don't have to do all these steps to relax and achieve some great results. In this video, I just wanted to show you different options and give you some ideas on what you can do, but you can simply choose a bath or perform a mini facial. It's all up to you, but I guarantee you, whatever you choose, you will feel much better after. So yes, I truly hope everyone will find something for themselves here, and as usual, the whole list of products I was talking about today will be linked in the description box below this video, together with my contact details and some other useful links. So yes, it is always worth checking the description box. And I also think this is going to be my last video this year, so I would like to express my gratitude to all of you who found my channel interesting and worth visiting. It means a lot to me. I have just reached the 1000 subscribers milestone, and I am enormously thankful for that. This channel is my passion, my hobby, and it makes me very happy when I can see that you are enjoying it as well. So yes, thank you very much. And also, I would like to wish you all a truly joyful Christmas season. Good health, as this is the most important, especially these days, happiness and peace. I wish you all the best, and I will see you again at the beginning of 2022. Bye!